guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Zasco ZT300 GPS to track your bike. This is a really good product from Zasco. As you can see, the main device is here in front of you. It also has a slot where you can insert the SIM in the back. As you can see, and guys, just to inform you, this device doesn't use Geo. If you guys are asking me that, let's see what does the box has. It has two zip ties just to attach it to your bike, and it has a relay. It has a really good wiring, a long wiring just for your bike. And let's see what's in the box. This is the manual, the troubleshooting, how to install it in your bike, and what are the features of it. As you can see, this is the warranty card and the seller card. You can contact him if you have any queries or if you are having difficulties installing the device. This is how you should use the device. It says you have to download the TrackMe2 application on the Play Store or App Store, depending on which one you have. And this is the key features of the device. It's written here. You can live tracking feature, ignition cutoff feature remotely, and this is how you install this installation process. As you can see, there is nothing more in the box. This is the only thing, and this is the model number of it. You can see the wire. It has a relay. The wiring length is really good, not that bad, sufficient enough for your bike. This is the relay which you get with the GPS. It's of a fairly good quality. And this is the wire for the GPS to connect it. It connects with this socket. You have to connect it with the socket, and you are ready to go after installing all of the things. Well guys, I hope you liked my video. I hope you share my video, and a huge thanks to Zasco GPS for supporting my video and making this video possible. As you can see, this is the device itself. It also has an inbuilt battery. If the thief tries to steal your bike and takes out the connection, then it has an inbuilt battery which can last up to 2 weeks, I think. Yeah, even if the bike is stolen, it can last for 2 weeks. You can use it for 2 weeks. It's of a fairly good quality. As you can see,